today about our people, how they've always worked so hard, even when they come out the field sweating and tired, but they never was too tired to sing and dance. If this thing meant that much to them, why not get a dance of our own? You got one now. On your feet now, you and you. I come to show you, brothers, something new. Got a new dance and it's so tight. You got to feel so, brother, do it right. It's called a Wazuri, and that's a fact. Show your feet, brother, bend your back. This dance was made for me and you. It's got more soul than the boogaloo. Wazuri, Wazuri. Let yourself go now. Don't hold back. Be a good brother. Be proud you're black. Come on, sisters. Don't be slow. Get out here, we gonna do the Wazuri some more. Wazuri, Wazuri. If you brothers, young or old, I know you got something, brothers, we call soul. Soul is something that feels so good. So let it all